Well, welcome back to a snow-covered wiring diagram, guys. I've showed you guys how to do 92 to 96. I've took the plugs out of that one. I've showed you how to wire them up. I showed you how to install them step by step. So that's your 92 to 96. Make sure you check that out. I've shown you 97 to 99, how to cut them out, how to wire them up, how to install them. So now we're down to one last thing. I have to show you how to install 2000 and 2001. Now 99 is a split year, so we'll just call it 2000, 2001. But the problem is I only have one 2000 to 2001. Can you guys find it? It is that one, way back there. And this one here does not run. It has a, well, it did run when I bought it. It just got a massive knock. And I've been using this thing as a storage shed for probably 2 years now. So I'm just gonna have to move everything to be able to get at all the plugs. So I guess we gotta shove all this stuff into the back seat. So I've got all the struts moved. Same thing as on the other ones. Just grab and pull. And it all comes out. Now this one is even more different. This one here is probably the most complicated one to make. So what I've got is a clear access path to see, and now I'm going to show you guys how to make this one. So how you tell this one is it's got 2 plugs on the top and 2 plugs on the bottom. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on every other one, and that is unplug the engine harness. So unplug the harness, tuck it down out of the way. By doing this, you're not going to cut the wrong plugs. So there, look, the engine harness is unplugged and tucked down out of the way. What we need is these 2 top plugs, this plug, and this blue plug again. Now be careful, because sometimes this blue plug will be white. Depending on the emissions that is equipped in your car, this plug will change from blue to white. So let's get the wire cutter in here. We're going to cut these wires back so there's enough space so we can solder to them. There, 2 top plugs to the computer are out. Now, just have to get this one out. Oh, let me use 2 hands for this. Basically, this whole plug right here is garbage. All I want is the blue one. So I'm just trying to get the wiring out so I can get this blue one out. All this stuff I don't even need on here, so. There we go. There's the blue one. So there I go. I got the 4 plugs I need for this harness. I have the 2 plugs to the top of the computer. I have my blue plug, and I have my white plug. So with these 4 plugs, I'm going to go make a standalone harness for this. But do remember, this harness does not control alternator, starter, or fuel pump. I will show you guys how to do that, but This only controls the engine. So let's take these in the house and we'll make these up. But before I do that, make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. And I'd like to bring you guys as many Toyota Camry videos as I possibly can. I got enough of them. I certainly do have enough of these Toyotas. So I want to make you guys have better luck with your Toyotas. I want them to be faster to build. I want them to be better built, because I want to help everybody try to make their Toyotas last as long as they can. So tomorrow I'll show you guys how to take these apart and wire them up and make your own standalone harnesses. So this is for 2000 to 2001 and halfway through a late 99 kind of thing, because it is a switch year. Maybe even a little bit into 2002, depending on your body style. So thanks everybody for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow to make up this harness.